Final video to fix Stalker 2. Heart of Chornobyl controller problems, because laggy or unresponsive controls ruin your gameplay. Are you playing Stalker 2 and noticing your controller doesn't respond, buttons delay, or input stops working? This problem happens when controller drivers are outdated, input settings conflict with the game, or background apps consume system resources. Sometimes USB or Bluetooth issues, game configuration, or system performance also trigger controller problems without warning. Many players search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexist, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that restores controller functionality fast. This trick works because it updates drivers, optimizes input settings, and ensures proper detection instead of changing random game files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky tools, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows systems and controllers. After this, your controller responds instantly, gameplay feels smooth, and input issues disappear completely. Many viewers on Rexist already fixed Stalker 2 controller problems using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Stalker 2. Heart of Chornobyl controller problems for good.